is Engineer William Christopher Yu Liu, Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering, Class of 1981.
William Christopher Yu Liu Jr., C81. From a fragile business of less than 10 employees and with only one project in 1986, Engineer Liu has turned his father's business, Primary Structure Corporation, or PSC, into what is now one of the most reliable AAA construction companies in the country. Of the more than 100 companies that comprise the Mactan Export Processing Zone, 75% were built by PSC. A recognized leader in the industry, Engineer Liu is widely acknowledged for creating countless opportunities for many Cebuanos.
Engineer William Christopher Liu is joined by his wife, Paulette D. Liu, daughters Patricia Lauren, Margaret Isabel, and Beatrice Ann, and son Gregory William Joseph.